Hi, today I want to show you how I prepare my skin for a day on the beach. So, I start with our sunscreen balm Zen Solaire, which protects the skin with 88% of plant nutrients and 12% natural minerals. I put small dots all over my face and also on my neck and on my décolleté. When the balm touches the skin, it gently warms up and turns liquid. This way, it's really easy to tap or massage in. I also put it on my lips and even on my eyelids. I really take my time with it. I'm working it in slowly and gently. So this way my skin is well protected and the minerals don't leave a white cast. I also apply a bit of Zen Solaire on the back of my hands because that's an area that's very exposed to the sun and it's often where sunspots show up first. Now I apply a bit of the Perfecting Illumination Makeup Cream. In summer, I use the shade Medium. Or you can also use a drop of our bronzing tint, Infinite Glow. That way, if the balm leaves a bit of a white cast, you can just blend this makeup drop right on top of it. Now, next step, it's the Sensual Opulence Oil on my hair. I use 3 to 4 pumps, depending on the thickness and length of your hair. I work it through, starting at the ends, since that's the driest part, and then all the way through the rest. This oil protects my hair from drying out, and it acts like a nourishing mask all day long. So if the sun touches your hair or it's exposed to water, salt water, chlorine, it's perfectly protected. Now, here's my kaftan, since I'm heading to the beach. I always wear something that covers most of my skin. That way, I can enjoy the beach all day long. But of course, I also stay in the shade a lot. And last step is my sun hat, because this way my face is protected from excessive UV radiation. Okay, ready, off we go. Bye.